Decoding off-page SEO. Techniques and strategies for effective link building. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawin. Off-page SEO is crucial for boosting website rankings and driving traffic, but it often remains overlooked. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into off-page SEO. You'll learn everything you need to know to create a successful off-page SEO strategy that will help you get more backlinks, strengthen your website's authority, and improve search engine rankings. Hey there! Welcome to my video on off-page SEO. We will uncover the various techniques and strategies to improve your website's authority and search engine rankings. Before we dive deep into off-page SEO, let's understand what it is and why it's essential. Off-page SEO is all about creating a positive image for your website on the internet. It includes link building, social media promotion, and gaining domain authority. It is necessary to understand that Google relies on third-party indicators to evaluate the credibility of your website. So, off-page SEO is necessary to create and build a brand online. Link building is one of the most important tactics in off-page SEO, and there are various ways to earn high-quality backlinks. Some of them include guest posting, broken link building, competitor analysis, and collaboration with influencers. We'll be explaining each of these techniques in detail so that you can start your link building journey successfully. Guest posting involves writing content for other websites and including a link back to your site in the author bio. We'll explain how to identify websites that accept guest posts, how to pitch them, and the best practices to follow while writing the content. Broken link building is the process of finding broken links on other websites and reaching out to the site owners, informing them about the broken link, and suggesting your link as a replacement. Here, we'll explain how to identify websites with broken links and how to pitch them effectively. Competitor analysis is essential to understand what strategies your competitors are using. By analyzing their backlink profile, you can identify potential targets for link building. You'll learn how to identify your competitors and their backlink strategy. Collaborating with influencers in your industry can help you build your brand while you gain high-quality backlinks. In this section, we'll explain how to build relationships with influencers in your industry and leverage them for link building. In off-page SEO, social media promotion plays a critical role. We'll discuss how to create a social media strategy, what kind of content to post, and how to engage with your followers. Improving domain authority means building a positive image of your website online. We'll take you through various techniques to enhance your website's domain authority, such as earning high-quality backlinks, improving page load speed, creating quality content, and more. And that's a wrap. We hope you got a good understanding of off-page SEO. Remember, link building is a continuous process, and you need to keep exploring new techniques and identifying potential targets. With a solid off-page SEO strategy, you can drive more traffic, engage with your audience, and establish your brand online. Off-page SEO is a technique that cannot be ignored when aiming to improve search rankings. Be patient and persistent, and continue to research the best ways to improve your off-page SEO strategy. By following the techniques and strategies that we have discussed, you'll be able to improve your website's authority, drive traffic, and stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.